Hey, Zabi here, welcome to the video. So I'm creating this video in response to the comment from Positive Energy Wave, and he asked me like please make a detailed video on how to find good product on JVZoo or Warrior Plus. So I have this course called Buyer Wave Method, and what I decided to do is upload the module 1 and module 2 of this course. Finding offers on Warrior Plus and JVZoo is designed for this particular strategy called launch hacking. That's what I teach in Buyer Wave Method, but this applies to any offer that you want to find on Warrior Plus that's actually legit good. Okay, so I will start the first video, the winning formula, right here right now, and tomorrow I will upload the finding and vetting your product. So if you didn't subscribe, and you can watch that now. So the first video is about the offer criterias. You should have a standard in promoting any type of offers. All right, the offer should be valuable and it should help people solve the problems. There are a lot of crap offers on Warrior Plus on JVZoo which shows people all the sunshine and the rainbows. 95% of the products inside those marketplaces show some sort of push button results, right? Push button money or a software that will bring thousands and thousands of traffic with like 10 minutes of work. Please realize that those doesn't work, first of all, and second, do not promote those types of offers. Be ethical, be genuine, be intent on helping people, and it will automatically convert into money. Okay, part of the reason, so for example, I did this process called launch hacking like a couple of days ago, and like if you can see here on 8th of July I made 4 sales like $95. So I uploaded that video on 6th evening, nothing. 7th evening I got 5 clicks, and 8th 3 clicks and 4 sales. Basically 1% purchased the upsells, and that made me $95, right? And this day just started, like this just refreshed, so this day just started, and there's actually 3-4 days more to actually for this launch to be over, so I'm expecting few more sales. And the product was called free post zone here, free post zone review. Okay, and out of 150, so this is 150, I have like about 4,000 subscribers in here, so some of the views are from my channel, but you do not need a lot of views or any subscribers for this. So if I go and click on my video analytics, the person purchased this product from me was not anyone from my subscriber base, right? So if I go here and go to YouTube search, you will find about just 29 views from people who searched on YouTube and found my video called free post zone review. I know this because a person emailed me, the person purchased this product actually emailed me to claim access to my bonuses that I was providing, and he found my video through YouTube search. So that's how I know. So you do not need a lot of views. The views that I'm getting on these sort of review videos, these are buyer intent videos. And with launch hacking, with these new launches, we are just riding on the hype trend. Okay, so you just need to find right products, good valuable products while they are launching, and be there on the internet to actually get paid like this. Part of the reason why you see all these zeros in here, right? I don't promote all the offers that is in Warrior Plus. Later on, I will share a complete case study about this product, and I'll also share some other product where I did like 3 videos for that launch because it was good. The product did good, and it made me more than $3,000 in that week. So the potential with this strategy is immense. So to come back to the topic, so it should be valuable and help people solve the problems, right? Second is vendor or product creators should have a proven track record of releasing good products and also have a rating of at least 3.5. Right? It should be at least the bare minimum 3. Anything lower than that, please run away from that. Do not promote that product. Other than that, it should have low refund rates, it should have good conversion rates, and it should have a congruent funnel that actually increases the value as the buyer purchases the upsells. I will show you exactly how to find the offers in the next video. So I will see you in that next one.